I'm out here backpacking in the Mount Jefferson Wilderness. I just found an awesome site right next to Shale Lake. It's actually along the PCT. Super stoked to be out here. I'm hitting a really nice weather window in the last week of September here, where it's not too hot, not too cold, just those beautiful sunny kind of late summer, early fall days. I really wanted to show you a little bit of what it's like backpacking in the Mount Jefferson Wilderness. Right now I'm south of Mount Jefferson, pretty close up to it, and I have an amazing view right from my campsite, so I'm really excited to enjoy sunset here. I just got here. It's about 6 o'clock, 6:30, and the sun is setting. Maybe have 30-45 more minutes of daylight. Gonna go get some water filtered and make some dinner because I am hungry and tired. So we'll see what tomorrow and Sunday bring us. Should be some more epic views of Mount Jefferson. Yeah, I really hope you enjoy being out here with me. It's such a beautiful place, and I hope it inspires you to get out and do some backpacking in the Mount Jefferson Wilderness. Man, today was so much fun. It was an absolute blast out there on the trail. Got kind of a late start, had a nice lazy morning. Then I started heading down towards Pamelia Lake, and I kind of rounded that and then came back up into this really nice valley down there, and then eventually kind of ascended out of that. Took a nice lunch kind of reading break at one of the lakes down there. That was super pretty. But yeah, found a nice spot up here kind of on this saddle with a view of Mount Jefferson right there. Now I'm just making some dinner and gonna chill out, read a little bit, watch the sunset. All right, just got back to the trailhead. Super stoked on this weekend. Got 2 great sunny days on Friday and Saturday. And today was great too, except for there was a little bit of smoke this morning and sort of throughout the day. So I was a little bit concerned that there was maybe a fire nearby, but thankfully it seemed to be blowing in from the south. I love the Mount Jefferson Wilderness. This is my first time hitting these trails out here. I'll have a more complete description of my itinerary down in the description of this video. There are tons of different loop options to do out here depending on which trailhead you start from. To camp overnight in this area of the Central Cascades, you do need a permit. Definitely looking forward to coming back and exploring more of this area. Thanks so much for watching. It means a lot to me that other people are interested in this sort of hiking content out here. I love to get out into these backcountry wilderness areas, and I'm sure a lot of other people do as well. I do like to leave the list of gear that I use in the description below as well, so you can go check those products out and support those awesome companies. The gear is getting so good these days. You know, I'm loving this ultralight backpack and the tent that I have as well, so you can find all of those different products down below. Definitely like and subscribe if you want to see more outdoor adventures in the Pacific Northwest. My name's Logan, and this is Rooted in Roaming, where we try to help inspire and inform people to get out and enjoy some of the awesome outdoor activities here in the Pacific Northwest. We're so lucky to live in such an amazing region, and we just want to share our outdoor adventures with you so that you can feel inspired and informed to go make the most of this outdoor playground that we have in our backyard. So thanks again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.